Hi, it's Steve. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the sliding shelf in your side-by-side refrigerator. It's a really easy repair. Let me show you how we do it. Now, to do this repair, we find it easier to remove both the glass shelf, if it's still intact, and the cantilever frame from the refrigerator. We'll install the new shelf on the frame and put it back in the refrigerator. So to begin with, we'll open up the refrigerator door, remove any items that may be on the shelf if it's still intact. We'll lift up on the whole frame and shelf, pull it out of the refrigerator, and we'll set that on a surface where we can change out that glass shelf. Now, with the shelf and frame on a suitable work surface, if the old shelf is still in place, you'll need to remove that. Simply slide it forward and pull it completely off of the metal cantilever shelf. You can discard the old one. Now, when installing the new one, you'll note on the bottom there are two tabs at the very back, and these need to fit into slotted openings on that frame. Now, part way up on the shelf, you'll note there are two more openings, and those have to line up with the notched portion at the front of that frame. So with the frame laying flat, we'll begin by lining up the rear tabs first. Just slide it part way in and make sure that they've caught on both sides. Now lower the shelf down so that it's flush with that frame, far enough forward that those middle tabs will engage, and push that back. Again, make sure that they're in place. Once we have it fully installed, you can remove the protective stickers. And then we'll take that whole shelf assembly and put it back in the refrigerator. So we'll open the refrigerator door up again, slide it into position, line up the cantilever bracket at the back, make sure it's hooked firmly. We can reload the shelf, close up the door, and your repair is complete.